I'm supposed to meet my mate here, and again, he's not here again, the twat. This is a laundry and a pussy parlour, for the want of a better word. And that cat, just this one here, when it saw me walk in, it approached me and it just started looking at me. Deemed I wasn't a monster cat, and then now we've got one of these at the supermarket near me, but they charge 500 yen to go in. I'm not sure how many cats they've got. I don't like they've got too many. Maybe just I think 3 or 4. Oh, there's one up there on the shelf there. There's one up there. And it closes down at a certain time. All this closes up, and so the cats can get some rest. I guess she's a big cat fan. Oh, I forgot about this. There's some more over here. Like I said, but I don't know. Oh. That's got nice eyes, that one, strange eyes. These eyes are a little bit different on them. Look at the markings, they're pretty good. So, well, there's a few more in this room. Look. Oh, and the guardian. I wonder if it's airless. No, I won't make that crude joke. And that's like that one. Oh, look at that one on the top. That's like a Taylor Swift cat. Can you see that one in the background? Oh, look at this. There's a new one. Look at this beauties. I wonder if you have to pay to go in here. I'm not sure. Look at that, and it's if it walks backward, it's like a cat's eye. There you go. Oh, look at that. Hello, puss. There you go, it was farting at me. That's nice. This is where they bring in their potential boyfriends. So I wonder if there's another room where the kids are playing. I wonder if there's a... Oh, that's the poke this cat with the stick room. But that one on the back wall there, that's like my uncle's cat. She's decided on that one, guys. She's putting it in the box. That's ready to go. I will have to come in here one day, and that one's at its head. So look at that one. That one at the back there looks really interesting. I don't know if that's a Scottish fold, a really white one. I wonder if they can come in from over there. You know, I wonder if they can come over from that area. Oh, there it goes again. No, is it? Look at that, she's bringing the cats over to them. Beautiful. There's some beautiful cats here. Fight. Cat fight. No? Okay. You don't usually see them as light as that one. No, puss. What beautiful cats. That's that old joke, isn't it, when he turns around, I wish I could do that, and then the cat's licking its balls. It's my mate, that's fucking usual, always late. Hey? Yeah, this woman's hello.
What woman?
The woman, I guess it said it was shopping. She was bringing the cats, and the cats were coming over to me. So really nice cats, yeah. And one when I came in over there, the cat just came up to me, looked at me, and then just walked off.
What about this one here?
Yes, yeah, just been filming it. Some great cats. Do you say you have to pay to go in here?
Yeah, of course, it's a cafe. It's like 1,000 yen.
Oh, 1,000 yen?
Yeah.
Do you get a drink with that?
No, I don't think so.
But these are the shop's cats, so it's just for you to relax or something?
Yeah.
Is that like an Abyssinian, that one? I don't know if it's worth 1,000 yen. It's cheaper at Apita. But there's certainly nice cats there. Maybe I should have one. But they piss all over the place. Bye bye, cat.